Hello, I'm Vadim, and today I'll be showing you how to install Fusion using VMware. This will be a quick video, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure you install Nagios products using the manual method for production environments. There's a separate video that you could find linked below. To install Fusion using VMware, you want to first navigate to Nagios.com. Then hover over Products at the top and select Nagios Fusion. After that, click Get Started Free. On the right side, you could get additional guides, release updates, and exclusive support when you fill out your information on the right. Otherwise, go to Downloads below. In today's example, we'll select VMware and click Download Now. Save it to a file location. I'll leave it in Downloads. After it is finished downloading, open up VMware Workstation or Player. After that is open, you want to select File at the top and then click Open. Then we'll find the file that we just downloaded, the OVA right here. Click on it and press Open. We will give this virtual machine a name. We'll name it Fusion Test, and we'll leave it in the default location. After that, click Import. After that is done importing, you have the options to change the VM settings by clicking Edit. You have the option to change the memory, the processor, the hard disk space, and network attachments. I will leave everything as default and click Power on this virtual machine. Now it should start installing Fusion. After that is done, you will be met with an IP address and a login. We will navigate to this IP address right here. And here you can find some installation settings. You have general program, time zone, and theme settings. We will change this password to something simple like welcome. For obvious reasons, change this to a more complex password in your environment. We will change the time zone to Central Time, and we'll change the theme to Modern Dark. Then we'll click Install. Now we have completed the installation, and here's our username and password. We will click Login, and we'll enter in the username and password we have just created. And then after reading the license agreement, click this checkbox and press Submit. And you should now see the Fusion home screen. And now you have installed Fusion in your environment. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, check out our YouTube channel for more helpful content. I'll see you in the next one.